Guys, gusto niya talaga binibidyoan siya. Pasaan ka ngayon? Pasaan ka? Nakakadwa talaga itong babaeng to. Ate yun! Nakakaya. Malay ko, hindi niya sinabi. Yung isang, ano na yung madamihan. Si daw naman, na naman siya, oh. Naglalakad na naman siya, oh. Kapalaga at ang gagawin mo ngayon. Tawagan ang dad. Driving me. We're gonna go somewhere, probably downtown. Just hang out at the...
Nakikita natin si Shasha! Donovan ba siya?
Yeah, we're gonna see her at Mini Donuts.
Yun. Attack ka.
It's weird. Her favorite word lately is atake, which means attack. I'm telling you, she says attack every single time. And then, there you have it. And this is the neighborhood. Feels
I
like
really cared about him 2 years ago.
she's weird. She's
Real talk. It's fun
yeah.
girl.
I know that. That's cool. Bet na bet niya talaga tong...
Saan tayo punta? Ayoko mag-kakainin.
Hindi naman niya nakakatakot.
Vloggers ang attack natin. Over here guys is a free...
Lumig talaga.
Ang lamig.
Layo ka namin dito, Nat. Ang lamig!
Gising. Gising. Ay, atake.
Nakaka, ganda mo dun. Kita mo sarili mo, di ba? Ganda.
Ikaw naman.
Ayoko, gulo ng buko.
So, tira mo nagtanggal pa ng ano niya. Pero makanita ka na lang.
Hey, vlog!
Hoy! Ito nga po
Hey,
pala.
vlog!
Distracted worker.
Hey, vlog! Hey! This is me working right now.
No, I'm upset.
I'm upset, y'all. Hindi na ako maganda because of my hair. And, tawag dito, it's... Oh, look at that. She...